Hello student, today I will tell you how to prove the formula cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. We will start from the left hand side. Let's start, and from the left hand side, since we know the value of cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B plus minus will be cancelled. Cos A cos B plus cos A cos B equal to twice cos A cos B. Therefore, 2 cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right? Now, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. This is unique. Okay, start from the left hand side. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. After opening the bracket, you will get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B will be cancelled. You will get minus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Therefore, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Now come to the next formula. Sin A plus B minus plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Start from the left hand side. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, cos A sin B, cos A sin B will be cancelled. Sin A cos B plus sin A cos B equal to 2 sin A cos B. Now example number 1. Prove that 3 sin pi by 6 sec pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 cot pi by 4. Start from the left hand side. 3 into value of the sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sec 60 degree equal to 2 minus 4 into 5 pi by 6. You will split sine pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 in the form of 180 minus theta pi minus pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Value of the cot pi by 4? 1. 2 to cancel. 3 minus 4 into sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. So therefore sine pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. After solving this one, you will get 3 minus 2 equal to 1. It's right hand side. Now come to the example number, NCERT example number 2nd. Find the value of sine 15 degree. Right? We don't know the value of sine 15 degree. The value of sine 15 is not available in our table, in our trigonometric table. So I will split this sine 15 degree in non-angle. Sine 15 degree equal to sine 45 minus 30 degree. So you will apply the formula sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Sine 45 1 upon root 2 cos 30 root 3 upon 2 minus cos 45 1 upon root 2 into sine 30 1 by 2 equal to root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. After taking LCM 2 root 2, you will get root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is your required answer. Find the value of the tan 13 pi by 12. Tan 13 pi by 12 equal to tan pi plus pi by 12. Pi plus pi by 12 means 13 pi by 12 equal to pi by 12. Since tan 180 plus theta equal to tan theta, okay, by ASTC rule, you will get tan pi by 12. Tan pi by 12 means 15 degree. 15 degree you will break in the form of the non-angle. It will be tan 45 minus 30. You will apply the formula tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Okay. After putting the value of 45 and 30, you will get 1 minus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 into 1 upon root 3. You will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. It's the required answer. Now the next example, which is very very important. So that tan 30 degree, tan 20 degree, tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Since 3x equal to 2x plus x, right? 3x equal to 2x plus x. So after taking tan both the side, you will get tan 3x equal to tan 2x plus x. You will apply the formula tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, right? Tan 3x into 1 minus tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 2x plus tan x. After rearranging, you will get tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan 3x into 10 2x into 10 10x. You can mold the same question in the respect of the part. You may solve yourself. Today assignment work, uh, example number 15 and example number 16 and 17. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.